Today's video I'm going to show you how you can add shadows on canva.com. So you need to do first things on going on Canva, then you need to log in here with the Gmail. Once you have done, you can import any images in design here. So I just import a design. Okay, this is my design again purpose only. So now just click on an image, then click on edit option. You can see this is edit option. Just click here edit option. You can see just scroll down, then find out effects. You can see I find out here the first things shadows. Just click here. You can see here is a 7 option, actually 8 option, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 option under shadows. So example purpose, if I click here glow option, you can see if I create it red, then size, then blower, and everything you can control using shadows. So this is a method how you can add shadows on Canva design. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.